Hey everybody, welcome to Simple, Cheap, and Easy DIYs by Simple DIYer. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share. As always, you can check the description box for the list of items used. In today's video, we're going to be making a dupe for this Kirklands lantern. Theirs is $25, mine is $4. First, we're going to start off with this glass candy jar, which was left over from the project up in the right hand corner. Next, we're going to take this ribbon and glue it around the top of the candy jar. Next, we're going to take this reindeer moss and fill up the candy jar. Now I'm going to take these magnolias, which I got at Dollar Tree, and put it in the candy jar, but you can use any of your favorite flowers. And here's what your completed vase will look like. This is super easy and simple to make, and for today's video we're going to make 2 of these vases. For the lantern, we're going to take a pack of these 10-piece 12-inch wooden dowels, and you will need all 10. Now 4 of them we're going to leave at 12 inches, and the remaining 6 you need to cut in half, which will be 6 inches per dowel. Once you have the dowels cut in half, that'll make you have 12 6-inch dowels. Now with 4 of them, you're going to go ahead and build a square, and you will repeat that 2 times. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. It really helps out my channel a lot. Now you should have 2 6-inch squares. One we'll leave as is. The other, what you'll want to do is take a piece of foam board and cut it to fit the inside of the dowels. Now taking the foam board, you'll want to place that inside the dowels and then just add hot glue all the way around the bottom of the foam board. Taking your four 12-inch dowels, you'll want to glue one to each corner of the bottom of the lantern. Now taking your second square, you'll want to glue that to the top of the dowels. Taking your last four 6-inch dowels, you'll want to glue one to each corner of the top of the lantern in a triangle shape. If you're already subscribed to my channel, thank you so much. If you're not subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe now and you hit that bell icon to be notified every time I upload a new video. Once you have the top all glued, this is what it should look like. Now taking 8 of the tumbling tower blocks, you'll want to glue those to the bottom of the lantern as I'm doing here. For the top of the lantern, you can use a shower curtain ring, which you can get at Dollar Tree, but I'm going to use this metal ring that I already had on hand, and I'm just going to glue that to the top. Now I'm going to take this apple barrel paint in the color Pavement and paint the entire lantern, but you can paint it in any color you'd like. And this is what your lantern will look like once it's completed and fully painted. Taking one of the vases that was made previously, you can just put that in the center, or you can use a candle. I do suggest if you use a candle, use an LED candle though. This last DIY is super easy. I'm just going to take these 2 pillar candles and this ribbon and wrap it around the bottom of both candles. And here's what your completed projects will look like. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, you can give it a big thumbs up and make sure you're subscribed to my channel so you can see every time that I upload a new video. As always, you can leave me a comment below and let me know what you want to see next. Until next time, have a great day.